last year was a bit more just talking. Yeah, it was more just laying the foundations, I think, where there weren't too many actions to come from it. Just kind of sharing ideas, do this, do that. But this year I felt kind of, I know rightly so, that we were kind of shaping the ideas into actions. Hopefully we see the fruits of that in the next few months and through the settlement as well. Meeting my whanaunga, or catching up with my whanaunga, and then, as I said, just sharing whakaaro, getting other people's perspectives on things. But I know a lot of other people just like to have a platform where they feel they can talk. I know a lot of people go to the general hui and feel a bit whakamā around their elders and whatnot. A lot of cool whakaaro was shared. And yeah, the creation of actual actions.
Our rangatahi were not being engaged in the way that they would prefer to be engaged. And we saw it as discussion. They were quite knowledgeable for their ages. But then we also moved on to having our first wānanga. So we had a lecture here about Te Kawanata and the settlement, and that's when Nanaia came and Tonda, Te Kōrero, and the wānanga happened here at the university. And we were somewhat fortunate to have it here, because it was outside of the region, way outside of the region, but we captivated so many rangatahi, Maniapoto and Rerea, where we see ourselves as the rangatahi, was key in facilitating the discussions. And the thing that we nurtured in that space was this idea of rangatahi. Now, I don't know if everybody picked up on it, but there was discussions around principles, around actions, around outcomes, and that right there in itself shows that we are nurturing this idea of rangatahi to us, to ourselves. And rangatahi to us need to be nurtured, need support, need grounding. And that's what I got from this discussion. Even though we were talking about the settlement process, that is what I took away from it, is that we were discussing and disseminating our ideas of rangatahi.